This video will review navigating TDF Web on a mobile device. Once you've entered your login information, press the Login button. You will be presented with the TDF Web dashboard. Here, you can quickly view your daily summary, visualizations, reports, and alerts. Across the bottom, you will see the toolbar. Two things to make note of are recent items and favorites. These two features play a big part in speeding up the process of creating items in Tour de Force Web. Both of those options are available along with a global search when you create a new item. The recent items display your last 99 items that you have opened or accessed, whereas the favorites is a place that allows you to store items that you access on a regular basis. Let's walk through creating an activity. If you use your finger and swipe the toolbar to the left, you will see the Create button. Press that and then select Activity. As we mentioned earlier, you can either search for the account, contact, or other record you'd like to link the activity to, or use your recent items or favorites. I will use my recent items since I know that I recently accessed the contact I want to create the activity off of. You can scroll through the page and fill out the activity details. In the Notes section, you can either type your notes or you can use speech-to-text on your mobile device to quickly fill out this section. Once the activity is completed, click Save. From here, you can do a couple of things. You can click on the vertical ellipsis icon in the top right corner and select Close to go back to your home page. Or if you would like to view the details of the account or contact that the activity was created under, you can expand the header and click on the hyperlink for either the account or contact to go directly to that record. Let's close out of these items and go back to the main page. If that was a contact that you may be working with on a regular basis, you can easily add them to your favorites by going to your recent items, selecting the box next to the contact, and under the Actions item, Other menu, select Add to Favorites. Now, let's load our activity grid to review the new card view. We can do this by going to the Info Center icon at the bottom of the screen, and then by selecting Activities. The new card view allows you to quickly expand any of the items to see its details. If you want to open the item to look at more information, or alternatively, you can perform an action or view child items of the selected item. The limitation of the card view is that you don't have the ability to search through your items here, so you will want to use a grid view that does not contain a lot of data, otherwise the card view could be overwhelming. Alternatively, you can use the grid style that allows you to view the items in a grid format. If you click on the vertical ellipsis icon, you can select Grid instead of Card View. This setting is sticky, meaning that the next time you go to this particular item in Tour de Force Web, it will use your last selected method of displaying the data. The last thing we'd like to highlight is viewing a BYOR on a mobile device. If you return to your home page and go to the BYOR Reports section, you can expand any of the categories and then launch a report by selecting it. The report will render nicely and allow you to scroll through the charts and data to view all the information within the report. There are videos located in our Resources and Online Video Training section on our support site that can provide additional assistance on navigating, creating, and viewing items and records in Tour de Force Web on your mobile device.